Well, we started the orchestra in 2019, January 2019, and the focus of the orchestra really was to bring young musicians from throughout Galway City and County together to play traditional music. Galway is very much has culture and Irish traditional music as an identity, but going alongside that, I think the language, Irish language, is very important as well. So we try to instill in the young people that, you know, both go hand in hand, and I suppose that's where Galway Gaeilge comes in. We've been working closely with Galway Gaeilge, trying to promote the language.
Time I gobar leis an Ceolfhoireann Thraidisiúnta na Gaillimhe le píosa inis agus camera gohfuil mé ag ban Jean taine mas ag plé leis na bríl agus ó híomh antanga Gaeilge de sa Ceolfhoireann déanam an iireachtaí gcónaí chun an Gaeilge a chur isteach inar gcuid oibre. Nuair a bhíam ag cleachta leis na bíl ar net leis na ceoltóirí, chuir mar seo neathna cainte Gaeilge labhartha. So is deas an rud é a bheith ag úsáid an Gaeilge leo féin agus leis na bíl eile atá ag plé leis an Gaeilge. Agus is féidir leat eáil bhfuil siad ag tuiscint an tanga agus ag baint tarbha as an slí sin.